Welcome. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of biodiversity and the need for classification in biology. As we learned last year, life on Earth is highly diverse. Organisms adapt to their unique environments based on factors like geographic location, food, and even defense mechanisms. With around 87 million species discovered so far, studying and understanding all these organisms requires an organized system. That's why scientists classify living organisms, creating groups and subgroups based on similarities and differences. This systematic organization is called biological classification. One key figure in classification is Robert Harding Whittaker, an American ecologist. In 1969, he proposed a five-kingdom system, organizing life by several important criteria. Complexity of cell structure. Are cells prokaryotic, simple without a nucleus, or eukaryotic, more complex with a nucleus? Complexity of organisms. Are they unicellular, single-celled, or multicellular? Mode of nutrition. Do they produce their food, like plants, absorb nutrients from dead material, like fungi, or ingest food, like animals? Lifestyle. Are they producers, consumers, or decomposers? Phylogenetic relationship. This is the evolutionary relationship, moving from simpler prokaryotes to more complex multicellular organisms. Kingdom 1, Monera. Place a drop of curd on a glass slide, and you'll spot rod-like microbes under a microscope. These are lactobacilli bacteria. Organisms here are unicellular and prokaryotic, with no defined nucleus. Some are autotrophic, while others are heterotrophic. Kingdom 2, Protista. Using pond water, you can observe various motile microbes like amoeba under a microscope. Protists are single-celled organisms, but with well-defined nuclei. They move with structures like pseudopodia, cilia, or flagella. Some are autotrophs, like euglena. Others are heterotrophs, like amoeba. Kingdom 3, Fungi. Take a piece of bread, keep it moist for a few days, and you'll see thread-like fungi, a great visual of fungal growth. Fungi are non-green, eukaryotic organisms, mostly saprotrophic, feeding on decaying matter. They have a cell wall made of chitin and reproduce by both sexual and asexual methods. Examples include yeast, mushrooms, and penicillium. Microorganisms, though tiny, are highly diverse and make up the largest portion of life on Earth. Let's break down some main groups within microbes. Bacteria unicellular, either independent or parasitic, and reproduce by binary fission. With favorable conditions, bacteria can double every 20 minutes. Protozoa. Found in soil, fresh water and seawater, protozoans like amoeba and paramecium show a wide variety in structure, movement, and nutrition. Fungi. These include both unicellular and multicellular organisms that grow on decaying matter, reproducing by cell division or budding. Algae. Aquatic, eukaryotic organisms with chloroplasts for photosynthesis, like chlorella and chlamydomonas. Viruses. Viruses are at the edge of what we consider living. They can't reproduce on their own, but instead hijack host cells to create copies. They're incredibly small, visible only under an electron microscope, and are responsible for diseases in plants, animals, and humans. To summarize, biological classification helps scientists make sense of Earth's immense biodiversity, allowing us to study organisms systematically. From tiny microbes to multicellular organisms, each group offers unique insights into life's complexity and adaptability.